Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Pro Duster. Always prioritize safety before beginning any task with compressed air products. Wear eye protection such as safety glasses to shield against flying debris. Make sure you are in a well-ventilated space and always keep the can in an upright position. Never shake the can and avoid pointing the nozzle at any person. These simple steps protect everyone. Before you start, always turn off and unplug any electronic devices you plan to clean, ensuring the area is completely safe. Clear away any loose items or papers from your workspace to avoid them being blown away. Securely attach the thin straw to the nozzle for precise application into tight spaces. Give the duster a quick test, spray away from your valuable items, just to ensure it is working correctly. When dusting, always use short, controlled bursts of air. This approach is much more effective than long sprays. Keep the nozzle a safe distance of about 2 to 3 inches from the surface to prevent any potential damage. Hold the can at a 45-degree angle, which helps to prevent the liquid propellant from escaping. Move the duster in a sweeping motion for a thorough and even clean. Once you have finished dusting, carefully remove the straw from the nozzle and keep it with the can for easy access next time. Make sure the can is fully sealed before putting it away, preventing any accidental discharge. Always store your Max Pro Duster in a cool, dry location, away from direct sunlight and any heat sources. Keep it securely out of reach of children and pets, ensuring everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.